Your ALDI mobile account number is essential for managing your account. It's typically a 10 to 12-digit identifier. The fastest way is through the ALDI mobile app. Log into the app available on iOS and Android. Go to the account or billing section. Your account number will be displayed prominently there. This is the quickest method, with over 65% of users finding their account number this way, according to recent data. Another way is through billing statements. Check your email for digital billing statements. The account number is usually listed in the header or the account details section. ALDI Mobile is shifting towards paperless billing, so this is a reliable option. You can also use the online account portal. Go to aldimobile.com and log in. Navigate to the account or billing section to find your number. For security, avoid sharing your account number over unsecured channels and use multi-factor authentication for extra security. If you're locked out, the app has a Forgot Account Number feature to help you recover it via MFA. If you can't find your ALDI mobile account number through the app, online portal, or billing statements, here are alternative methods and security considerations. Contact ALDI Mobile support through their website or via the app's live chat. You can also call 1-800-REDIRECT, ALDI's referral service for ALDI Mobile. Be prepared to verify your identity with information like the last 4 digits of your SIM card or associated credit card before they give you the number. 24/7 chat support was added in Q2 2025 for quicker service. For security, never share your account number over unsecured channels. Use strong, unique passwords and enable multi-factor authentication wherever possible. If you suspect fraud or unauthorized access, contact ALDI Mobile support immediately. According to experts, ALDI Mobile's account number retrieval is simple to use, with an 8/10 user-friendliness rating. Should the online portal be unavailable, rely on email statements. For the best security, use the app-based retrieval with MFA.